Hello, it's Stacy Glow. Our today's topic is quite unusual, not so girlish and cute. Everything is serious this time. Tell me, do you play computer games? I mean simulators. If you do, this will be interesting for you, since I have decided to do a makeup in the style of the game, or rather a survival simulator makeup. They have become extremely popular nowadays. So today I will be showing you how to do a military makeup in the Pubg game style. Let's go! I'm gonna apply a primer on the whole face. Then I will apply foundation on the whole face with a beauty blender. Now I will use a liquid concealer to mask the defects on my skin. I will apply it under my eyes in the shape of a triangle. And then I will take the light side of my wonder stick, and with it I will liften the needed areas on my face. Then I will blend everything with a beauty blender. I'm turning the concealer and will do contouring with its dark side, drawing the cheekbone line. This time I'm using both an oval brush and a beauty blender for blending. Now I will use a palette for contouring and a brush, drawing along the cheekbone line. Then I'm blending everything with a beauty blender. You might wonder why I need contouring or in general any foundation for such makeup. But the characters of Pubg game, I mean their female part, have strict light makeup, and my goal is to reproduce the makeup of the characters and not to create the makeup suitable for masking, cause this will camouflage me in no way. I could just do with painting the face with olive or green paint to stay unnoticed in the forest. After that, I will be applying powder to make my skin tone even and to add some matte shade. Before drawing the eyebrows, I need to brush them. Now I'm drawing the contour of the eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil and painting there inside. To look more like some character from the game, the face, eyebrow or lip line should be emphasized much clearer than in the regular makeup. It will add you this desired computer look. By the way, you can make your hair more shiny. You can even use a gel that will improve your image. This release is not about transformation, just a regular makeup, so everything is much simpler in my case. And for more durable effect, I'm fixing the eyebrows with a special fixative. Now I will apply light shadows on the whole eyelid. I'm drawing along the line of eyelash with a pencil. The lower fold of the eyelid also has to be emphasized. I'm doing this with the help of dark shadows. While applying shadows, I will tell you a little about the game Pubg. I think many are familiar with it. This is a survival simulator. The game was being created similar to the movie Battle Royale. You either compete with opponents or hide away, but your aim is to remain a sole survivor. What distinguishes this game from similar movie is what you can unite with other participants in the group of up to 4 people, and then if your team survives, all the participants win. In the movie, in such cases, there are no winners. Let's get back to our makeup. I will apply dark shadows now in the other corner of the eye and thoroughly blend. Near the inner corner of the eye, I am emphasizing the eye with a pencil. Now I will apply mascara on the upper eyelashes and a little bit on the lower ones. Another interesting fact, Pubg game is extremely popular. Right after it appeared at Steam, it gathered a record number of players, around 3 million. It exceeded the peak of such games as Dota 2 and Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and those are actually the only games I have aware in this subject, so the game is definitely worth attention. And the final touch, I will apply light peach lipstick on my lips. It's totally unnoticeable as our fall makeup, exactly what I wanted. I hope you have had a great time with me today. Press like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next release. Bye!